Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video we're going to be making some nice French fries. Um, Now this French fries I think is better than what you'll get at McDonald's. um, this recipe I've been using for years now, since I was a child. I've been using this recipe, making perfect French fries or French rounds or French coins or circle, whichever you want to call them. But this is how I do it. So we're just going to peel some white potatoes and um, cut them up in circles, and then we're going to get started. So my friends, you can use whatever potatoes that you have. It will still work. Um, I'm just going to peel these, as I said. I'm going to move this over actually and peel my potatoes, and then we're going to slice them. Now these fries are French rounds, I'm going to call them. I've been making since I was a child. I think it's one of those easy breezy way to make French fries, and I'm telling you, if you make this French fries with the children, they're going to love it. Okay, it's easy, as I said. I'm just going to cut them in this size, maybe this thickness, not too thick, just enough so that it fries all the way through. Okay, so I'm going to continue doing on cutting my rounds, and then we're going to come back. Okay, so this is French fries that we're making. French potato rounds or fries, French fry rounds, we're going to call them. And there we are. Nice thin slices. Okay, so I'm just going to do the rest. I'm making dinner for my family, and I'm just going to do the rest, and then we're going to come back. Okay, so my friends, when you're making your French fry rounds, you want to wash the potato first before you started to slice it. Okay, make sure you're washing your potato just to get off all the peel residue off it, and then just slice them up nice and thin. They don't have to be perfect when you slice them, but make sure they're at the same almost the same thickness. Okay, so here we are. These are already been washed, and we're ready to carry on. Okay, so now you want to kind of pat these dry a little bit. Okay, you don't have to overdo it, as I said. Just pat it dry a little bit, and I'm going to take you over to the stove, and then we're going to continue. Okay, my friends, my cast iron skillet is ready. I put in about 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil that you want to use, and I'm going to get some salt and sprinkle some salt on my rounds. Okay, this is French fry rounds that we're making. I sprinkle some salt on it, and we're ready to fry it up. Okay, my friends, the pot is nice and hot. I have the stove turned down at medium, and I'm going to start to fry my French fries up. Okay, so you don't want to, you want to put them down singly and not have them pile on each other. Okay, so you don't want to layer them. You just want to make sure each piece have a room to fry nicely. Okay. And this is going to be very, very quick dinner, my friends. Another half an hour dinner for you and your family if you're in a hurry. Now, this is also a great recipe, as I said before, to make with children. Once they try this French fries this way, they won't want McDonald's French fries again. I think they're that good. Okay, so it's easy breezy. If you have potatoes at home, don't go out and get any French fries from the fast food restaurants. Just do your own, and you're going to be doing French fry rounds. Okay, so let that fry up for a little bit, and we're going to flip them over and fry it on the other side. Okay, so let that fry a little bit, and then we'll come back. Okay, my friends, so these French fry rounds have been frying for maybe 1 to 2 minutes on one side. Now, uh, now this is what you're looking for. You're looking for a nice golden brownish color before you start to flip them over. Okay, so this is almost ready. So we're gonna flip these over and cook the other side as well. See, nice and brown. That's what we're looking for. All right, I told you, simple, easy French fry rounds, and yeah, you won't want to go back to regular fries once you start cooking them this way. Okay, so let's finish frying these up. We're gonna plate them, and then we're gonna come right back. See, nice brown. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so let me finish it up, and then see you in a bit. Okay, my friend, the French fry rounds are done cooking, and here they are, nice and crispy. Now when you're frying these, you're going to be adding oil just to keep the frying process going, okay, because the oil will dry out a little bit. Now you can also drain these off on paper towel. These are nice and crispy, and here we go, our French fry rounds are ready to go. And if somebody shouts, "Mom, when is dinner?" You can just say in a minute, and it's literally in a minute. These just takes maybe 5 minutes to fry up, and I've paired them with some chicken nuggets and a nice spinach salad, and we have some plum sauce here. Okay, so there we are, my friends. Don't forget, not everyone that wanders is lost, and always strive for something better. Thanks for watching.